Use Feng Shui to organize your covered patio or back porch. Feng Shui helps when it comes to organizing your covered patio or back porch. The object of Feng Shui is to ensure the flow of good energy and restore harmony and balance to this part of your home. First off, take stock of this area and you'll see that you will need to clean this area and remove stuff that don't belong there. For example, broken or rusty furniture, dried up plants, and busted lights. When these are done, you need to invest more time to really improve this area so that it comes out not only organized but also a welcome haven for you at the end of the day. Here are other Feng Shui tips that you can use to see this project through. Always consider the space before replacing or refurbishing furniture. Keep in mind that Feng Shui is about flow, and when you squeeze things into a small space, it defeats one of the most important elements of Feng Shui. Having said that, you must pay attention to the available space in this area before deciding on which ones go in there. Choose a curvy layout. When deciding the layout of this area, always go for a curvy layout that augurs well for any patio or back porch space. A curvy layout ensures that there is always space in between foot traffic, furniture, and plants in this part of your home. Decide on what it's going to be for. Will the patio or back porch be used for entertaining people or your own personal space for relaxation or quiet time? Will it be an extension of your dining room? You can have all three options easily depending on your mood and the season. However, deciding what the patio or back porch is going to be for will play heavily on the next task. Arrange the furniture. Once you've decided on what the space will serve, entertaining, dining, or personal space, it's time to arrange the furniture the Feng Shui way. Arrange the chairs in a layout that will ensure that no one's back is turned away from someone entering this area. A semicircle arrangement is perfect. You can use corners of the patio or the porch for the chairs so that the entrance is left open and welcoming. Also, make sure that you have extra chairs for people to sit on in case unexpected arrivals come to pay you a visit. Add tables as you go along and make sure the tables and chairs create a homey and welcoming atmosphere by placing accessories on the table like vases with fresh flowers or fun table runners. Throw in some pillows on the chairs as well. Place pots of healthy plants. If you don't have the time to care for plants, choose cacti or English box plants, which need very little attention and can go long periods without water. Just a couple placed as fillers will make your patio more attractive. However, Make sure to do your best to care for these plants so that they'll stay healthy. If they die, there goes your feng shui. Anything dead in your patio, even those plastic plants, is a very bad and disturbing element in feng shui. Another important thing to remember is to avoid overhanging plants, especially when these are placed over people's heads. People will constantly worry about these plants falling over their head, and worry is not a good word in feng shui. Finally, open up the path leading to your patio or back porch, which means you'll need to clear off shrubs and grass that you have left to grow in abandon. Line the path with twinkling lights, or if the patio is located directly from the kitchen, make sure the sliding doors are open during the daytime while you work in the kitchen to let good air circulate.